Neora Valley National Park, situated in Kalimpong district in West Bengal, was established in 1986. This national park spreads over an area of 88 square kilometers and with an elevation starting from 600 feet to 10,500 feet. This area is covered with dense forest and has a diverse flora and fauna. In some parts, even sunlight finds it difficult to reach the ground. This place is teeming with activity and has one of the highest density of birds. The dense forest with different variety of flowering and fruit trees makes it ideal for a large number of birds to thrive here. With migration happening in winter, the species available in an altitude varies with season. Most part of this dense forest is still impenetrable. The birds in this video are primarily shot in Kolakham and Rishop in Neora Valley. Come, let us see some of the birds found here. Rufous cebia. This attractive bird is found in large numbers. I found a flock of around 20 birds sucking nectar from flowers. They appeared dominating and attacked other smaller birds in their territory. Grey bushchat. He seems to be enjoying the early sun. This small bird is usually seen in pairs or groups. Himalayan bulbul. His forward-pointing crest and sharp features looks imposing. They are found in the entire Himalayan range. Blue-capped rock thrush. The male has such a bright color. The bright blue, orange and black is unmistakable. But the female is less colorful, grey-brown with scaled underparts. White-browed shrike babbler. Looks smart in his black and white attire. The female looks paler in color. Verditor flycatcher. He is looking around and singing. I found this species in good numbers both in Kolakham and Rishop. Blue-throated blue flycatcher. Hiding behind the leaves. Now he has spotted me, staring at my eyes. Rufous-bellied niltava. What a brilliant color! Sitting quietly, looking for insect in the bush below. Red-tailed minla. The white brow with rose-red color on the wings and tail are completely unique. Found in the eastern Himalayas, they feed on insects and seeds. Bar-throated siva. Looks cute with its flashy colors. Also known as chestnut-tailed minla. Found in central and eastern Himalayas, they feed on insects and seeds. Golden-naped finch. The black body with bright yellow on the head is so eye-catching. Found in eastern Himalayas, they feed on seeds and insects. Fire-tailed sunbird. His vivid colors makes him one of the most beautiful among all sunbirds. Their wings flap at a very high speed, yet they can remain stationary while sucking nectar, sometimes sitting on a perch, sometimes hanging upside down. Their actions keep one captivated. Golden bush robin. The blazing golden yellow with black looks so beautiful. Found in central and eastern Himalayas, they feed on insects. Greenback teat. This beautiful small bird is dancing and singing in the early morning. They are found in the entire Himalayan range. Chestnut-crowned laughing thrush. This beautifully patterned bird is found in the dense undergrowth of forest. They are shy birds. After I took a couple of shots, he has noticed me, and not feeling comfortable, he flew away. Red-billed Leothrix. What a beautiful color! Bright yellow plumage with red bill. It is a sheer joy to see this lovely bird. Green-tailed sunbird. This is another variety of sunbird. With such bright colors, it easily draws attention. They hunt insects and spiders to feed the young ones in the breeding season. But nectar is their favorite food. See the pollens sticking on his beak. Apart from these birds, there are a lot more species which I have seen in Neora Valley, but not able to properly photograph them. The dense jungle which prevents adequate light to enter and the frivolous nature of the small birds poses a challenge to photograph them.